this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the power of your voice to control apps, programs and smart objects. Voice control works by recording what you say and then using a computer to then write it down. Nowadays, you can use voice assistants such as Alexa, Siri or Google, which combine voice control with artificial intelligence to work out what you mean and then to do something as a result. For teachers, there are some really powerful uses of voice control technology, which can save you a load of time. As I'm sure you all know when marking, writing down detailed feedback and comments for every one of your students can take ages. But what if you could speak your feedback and have it written down for you? Surely that would be a lot quicker. For example, this Brother label printer has a mobile app which you can use to make text labels to stick in students' workbooks. However, instead of typing out your feedback, you can use the dictation option under keyboard settings to record your comments instead, which saves a lot of time. Another game-changing voice app which you can use is Quicker. Quicker again lets you record voice feedback instead of writing it out. Feedback is linked to a unique QR code which you can stick into each of your students' workbooks. You can create a free account online which will let you print out pages of these QR codes. Using your phone's camera or a QR code reading app, you can scan one of the QR codes. This will take you to a web page where you can record your feedback. You can now stick this code in one of your students' workbooks, and when they scan the code, they can listen back to your audio. As a teacher, you can also use voice assistants like Siri and Google to help you in the classroom. Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes. Add a note. Add a new event at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Spell Mississippi. What's 20 times 5? What does acrimonious mean? Be my Spanish interpreter. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked this video, please check out other videos on emerging technologies you can use in the classroom.